Good morning students, myself Dr. Vishwas CC, working as a Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, JSS, Arts, Science and Commerce Degree College, Gokak. This college is affiliated to Rani Chennamma University. In previous video, we studied chemical kinetics. In that, we studied definition of chemical kinetics, definition of rate of reaction, unit of rate of reaction, definition of molecularity of a reaction, and types of molecularity of a reaction. There are three types of molecularity of a reaction. One is unimolecularity of a reaction, bimolecularity of a reaction, and trimolecularity of a reaction. Today we will discuss one by one. First one is unimolecularity of a reaction. Uni means one. Here only one reactant molecule can take part in a chemical reaction is called unimolecularity of a reaction. Example, decomposition of phosphorus pentachloride gives PCl3 plus Cl2. This is the unimolecularity of a reaction. Next one is bimolecularity of the reaction. Bi means two. Here only two reactant molecules can take part in a chemical reaction is called bimolecularity of a reaction. Example, combination of H2 and Br2 gives 2HBr. This is the bimolecularity of a reaction. Next is trimolecularity of a reaction. Tri means 3. Here only 3 reactant molecules can take part in a chemical reaction is called trimolecularity of a reaction. Example, oxidation of nitric oxide gives 2NO2. This is the trimolecularity of a reaction. These are the three types of molecularity of a reaction. Next we will come to the rate loss. Rate loss means rate of a reaction is directly proportional to the reactant concentration, and each concentration being raised to some power is called rate loss. Example, consider a general reaction. Na gives products. N means number of reactant. Then I will write the rate expression. Rate is directly proportional to the concentration of A to the power of N. This is the rate loss. Next we will come to the order of a reaction. Order of a reaction is defined as the sum of the powers of concentration in rate law is called order of a reaction. Example, consider a general reaction. Ma plus Nb gives products. Then I will write the rate expression. Rate is equal to K, concentration of A to the power of M, concentration B to the power of N. Then the order of a such a reaction is M plus N. This is the order of a reaction. Next we will come to the first order reaction. First order reaction means the rate of reaction which depends upon only one reactant concentration, that is called as a first order reaction. Example, hydrolysis of an methyl acetate. When methyl acetate is reacts with water gives acetic acid and methanol. And then now we'll write the rate expression. Rate equals K, concentration of CH3 COO CH3 to the power of 1. This is the first order reaction. Next we will come to the second order reaction. Second order reaction means the rate of reaction which depends upon two reactants concentration, that is called as a second order reaction. Example, H2 plus I2 gives 2HI. Then I will write the rate expression. Rate is equal to K, concentration of H to the power of 1 plus concentration of I to the power of 1. Then the order of a reaction is 1 plus 1 is 2. This is the second order reaction. Next we will come to the third order reaction. Third order reaction means the rate of reaction which depends upon three reactants concentration, that is called as a third order reaction. Example, 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. Then I will write the rate expression. Rate is equal to K, concentration of 2NO to the power of 2 plus concentration of O2 to the power of 1. Then the order of reaction is 2 plus 1 equals 3. This is the third order reaction. Next we will come to the zero order reaction. Zero order reaction means the rate does not depends upon the concentration of reactant. It not depends upon the concentration of reactant. That is called as a zero order reaction. Example, decomposition of HI on a gold catalyst is a zero order reaction. 2HI gives H2 plus I2. Then I will write the rate expression. Rate is equal to K, concentration of HI to the power of 0. This is the zero order reaction. Next we will come to the unit of 3 reaction. First one is zero order reaction. Order is 0. Then the unit is mole, liter inverse, second inverse. This is the unit of zero order reaction. Next we will come to the first order reaction. Order is 1. Then the unit of first order reaction is second inverse. Next we will come to the second order reaction. Order is 2. Unit of rate constant is mole inverse, liter second inverse. Next, in next class we will study derivation of second order reaction. Thank you.